today I'm going to show you how Nuron brings performance on all our tools on one platform and show you 9 tools in our sawing category. We have jigsaws, both E-handle and barrel grip. We have metal circular saws, wood circular saws, band saws, and recip saws. Our former contractors tell us that they rip cut wood boards or they cross cut 2x or 4x all day long. And for these applications, what they want is a tool that is powerful enough to rip cut multiple layers, and what they don't want is a cord. And that's what Nuron offers. 2 things. 1, better performance than 15-amp corded tools, and second, up to twice the runtime of industry top performance. And we offer this performance in 2 versions: a worm drive style saw and a sidewinder. So let's start with the worm drive style saw. This tool has a brushless motor, 7¼ inch blade to rip cut through up to 3 layers of standard 3¼ inch board with under 12 pounds in weight and unique battery position. This tool is one of the fastest, lightest, and most balanced tool in its category. For those people in the trade who prefer blade right orientation, we also offer a sidewinder. So also here, brushless motor, 7¼ inch blade to cut through multiple layers of plywood, rotatable dust port for optimal dust extraction, and track compatibility for straight cuts. Let's move now to the reciprocating saws. So when we launched the SR6 in 2019, we've got great feedback from our mechanical contractors for its exceptional performance in terms of speed and vibrations. Today, I'm really excited to present to you our latest addition to the Reciprocating portfolio, the SR4, for one-handed overhead applications. That's what our MEP contractors use to cut, for example, pipes overhead with one hand. And for this application, they want a powerful tool to be able to cut, for example, pipes of old materials and be able to do it in a very ergonomic way.
Today I'm showing you the new SR6 on our Nuron platform. It comes with the AVR, our active vibration reduction. Plus we're having here our DRS, our dust removal system. So let's have a quick look at that.
Hi, my name is Pasquale, product manager for wood cutting tools, and I'd like to introduce you to jigsaws. So we have D-handle and barrel grip. They're both optimized to have great ergonomics and super good handling. Low friction base plate. We have a quick exchange mechanism for the blade. Click in and out. And on the D-handle, we offer a unique solution for dust removal, an onboard DRS. Let me show you how it works. It stays on for 6 more seconds to make sure that the dust is properly collected and sucked from the channels.
My name is Deepak. I'm going to tell you about the metal circular saw. So this one is basically a product for cutting, giving a cold cut on the metal. So this has 2/4 of an inch of a depth, and we have basically a 6.5 inch blade on this one. And the main advantage of this one, it's really fast when you're cutting metal channels or if you're cutting EMTQ. Yeah?
Yep.
Alright. And the main advantage, it's not hot at all. You can touch it, you can work with it, no sparks. So advantages of cold cutting.
Nice, smooth.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So this is the main advantage of a circular saw. The cut is so good over there. You don't have any micro burrs, it's a good finish, and then you can just put the threaded rod.